Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Windi Lestari. I am from class 11 Social 1 in Senior High School, Cisarua. In this video, I will explain to you how to make dragon fruit pudding. So, just keep watching! Okay guys, the ingredients needed to make dragon fruit pudding are 1 dragon fruit, 700 ml of liquid milk, 100 grams of sugar, and 1 pack of plain jelly powder. And tools needed to make dragon fruit pudding are whisk, cutting board, knife, 3 bowls, spoon, stove, pan, spatula, plate, and pudding mold. Okay guys, and now how to make dragon fruit pudding. First, cut the dragon fruit into 2 pieces. Next, scrape the pieces of dragon fruit into a bowl. After that, puree dragon fruit with a spoon. And then, mix 700 ml of liquid milk into a pan. $100 grams of sugar, and 1 pack of plain jelly powder. And don't forget to mix dragon fruit that has been mashed into a pan. After that, stir with whisk. And next, cook until boiled over medium heat. After boiled, pour into the pudding mold. Next, put the dragon fruit pudding into the refrigerator around 3 hours. After it hardens, remove the dragon fruit pudding from the mold into the plate. Finally, dragon fruit pudding is ready to be served. Okay guys, that was the video that I explained about how to make dragon fruit pudding. Hopefully it's useful, and I'm sorry if there are mistakes. Thank you for your attention and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.